Innovation drives the development of the industrial era. Industry stems from human dreams and constant exploration. Advances in manufacturing birth new ideas of each industrial era. Embrace a bright future through innovation. Shandong Weidaprecision Intelligent Machinery Company Limited was restructured from a state-owned machine tool enterprise in 2001. After more than 2 decades of modernization, it has now grown into a national high-tech enterprise with 4 manufacturing bases, 1 joint venture, and a provincial-level R&D center. It has been rated as one of the top 30 Chinese machine tool enterprises and one of the top 10 Chinese machine tool exporters for many years running. It has also won the Chunyan Award for CNC machine tools in the national machine tool industry several times. We have brightened the development pathway of high-level equipment enterprises in China through innovation. With persistent dedication, we delve deeply into the field of intelligent CNC machine tools. With a steadfast belief, we strive for high-quality development. Following a service-oriented approach, we work to fully meet the needs of the industry. Since establishment, we have never stopped exploring. We are both the witnesses and creators of the manufacturing industry. Every step forward represents a huge change from the past. With a deep understanding of machine tool industry and dedicated research, we create famous brands with quality, stay at the forefront of the industry, and strive to build an internationally renowned machine tool enterprise while staying true to the brand original aspiration to revitalize national industries. Integrating the ingenuity into R&D, we interpret the connotation of manufacturing with the spirit of craftsmanship and control the quality of products from the source. Understanding the importance of scientific and technological innovation, we have successively established Industry College Institute cooperation with well-known colleges and universities in China. We are actively exploring the development trend of the industry, taking technological progress as the driver, continuously developing new products, new materials, and new technologies. At present, we have formed a line of 8 products of more than 90 specifications. Which are well sold in 31 provinces and cities across China, as well as more than 70 countries and regions in Europe, America, and Asia for their stable performance, reliable quality, and satisfactory services. We refine every production process to ensure that each product is of high quality. Like life, science and technology also need to seek constant improvements and transcendence, focusing on the transformation and upgrading of high-end equipment industries. We have worked to closely combine automated equipment with smart factory data using 5G plus industrial internet technology, achieving industry chain synergy and further improving production efficiency. We embrace Industry 4.0 with a new look and synchronize with the world through exquisite technology. We introduce advanced manufacturing technology from abroad, draw on the experience of precision manufacturing both domestically and internationally, and keep on using new equipment, new processes, and new methods. Starting from the use of high-performance materials and heat treatment for key components of machine tools, we truly achieve complete independent control of quality data. Over the years, we have listened to feedback and advice from our customers in a bid to provide them a complete machine tool solution. Pursue dreams for the future. We practice the spirit of craftsmanship to realize the brand dream of building China into a major country through enterprise development, and undertake the development mission of China's high-end equipment manufacturing industry. Weidaprecision is taking advantage of digital technology and high-end manufacturing to lead the future and exploring infinite possibilities. Build Weida brand. Establish an enduring enterprise. Shandong Weidaprecision Intelligent Machinery Company Limited.